Welcome to April's Leetcode Challenge. Today's problem is palindrome linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, return true if it's a palindrome. Self-explanatory, but there's a follow-up. Can you do this in O of n time and O of 1 space? So this surprised me because it's not an easy question. Now, if we didn't care about space, this would be trivial, right? We would just move through our linked list, save our values inside some sort of array, and then see if it's a palindrome, either using a two-pointer or starting in the middle. So that'd be easy, but we can't do that here because we only want to use O of 1 space. So what can we do? If we can't store the values from the previous nodes anywhere, how do we know if it's a palindrome or not? Because we can only move forward. Well, if that's the case, there's really only one approach that we can do. We have to modify our linked list somehow. So we do know that we could reverse linked lists, and if we could reverse linked lists, perhaps we can go to the center, say that we had like 1, 2, 2, 1, find the midpoint, which would be here 2, and then reverse it from this point on. So this would become 1, 2. Now if that's the case, then we can just have two pointers, one starting in the beginning and one starting at that mid, and check to see if everything is the same. Now if we had like a 3 here, like this, it'd still be fine because what we would do is say, all right, just check this and this, check this and this, and once the second pointer is at the end, we don't need to check the one in the middle. So let's do that. This might take a while to write, but we can do it. So let's start off by finding the midpoint. Really the only way to do that is either a slow fast pointer or just go through the whole linked list and keep track of the number there are. So I'm just going to do that just to keep it simple. So while cur, we'll increase our n and say cur equals cur.next. So now we have our total length. We just want to find our midpoint, right? And the midpoint is just going to be n divided by 2. And we also want to keep some sort of number here to keep track of where that mid node is going to be. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is write some sort of reverse function here. And if you recall with the reverse linked list, what we do is basically store the next head somewhere. It's going to be none at first because that very first node is now going to be pointing to nothing, right? Because that's going to reach the tail now. So while there's a head, what do we do? We're first going to store the next somewhere. That'll be head.next. And we want to have head.next now equal to whatever we stored previous with the answer. Now, update our answer to what our current head is now. And finally, we want to move our head to equal the next that we stored before, right? So once we do that, we can just return our answer here, and that's going to give us the new head of our linked list. Okay, so now we want to find our first and second pointer. So first and second, second equals head. Let's move our second pointer all the way over to the midpoint. So while I is less than mid, what will we do? We'll move our second to equal second.next, and we'll increase our I. And at that point, we will need to reverse from this second head here. And now whatever that returns is going to be the new second. This will still be in the middle, but we're now returning the new head here. All right, so while finally we have first and second, we're going to check to see if these values are all the same, because if they're not, we know that this is not a palindrome. So if first dot value does not equal second dot value, we can immediately return a false. Otherwise, let's just move our first pointer ahead to the next, and the second to the next. If we can get through this whole thing, then we can return a true here. All right, so let's see if this works. Looks like that's working, so let's submit it. And there we go, accepted. So this is O of n time, even though we do traverse the list like multiple times here. And we do modify the original linked list, but there's nothing here that says that's not a problem. So this works. Yeah, this question surprised me because it's pretty difficult for the first one. But I suppose once you kind of understand the approach, then it becomes easy. It's just kind of hard to like code it all out. But that's it. So thanks for watching my channel. Remember, do not trust me. I know nothing.